So I will admit, it's much nicer out here than I thought it would be this morning. Good morning, welcome to today's vlog. Beautiful Saturday morning. It's almost 8 o'clock instead of my normal 6:20 in the morning when I'm outside. It rained for like all day yesterday and the windows are down and the top's still off the Bronco. Maybe I'll put the top back on the Bronco today after we get back from the fair. Oh, front tire looking a little low as well. That's awesome. Never a good thing. Good thing there's nothing electric in here. I am doing my Saturday morning. I go to the grocery store because Stephanie doesn't like to go to the grocery store anyway. Wait a second, change of plan. I'm not going solo. I heard this little boy wrestling as I was walking out the door. So I decided I'd have more fun if my little boy was with me. You chilly? Tired? You just barely waking up? Are you unable to look at the camera? Oh, there you go. Hey. What are you getting?
My new favorite ketchup salami that is not.
We just taste tested the two different kinds of salami. The first one was hard salami. What did it taste like?
A weenie dog.
Like a hot dog weenie?
Yes.
What's the second one taste like?
It tastes like yummy goodness.
That was fun. Shout out to Melissa, our cashier at Walmart. She saw my shirt and was saying that she watches YouTube and stuff, and so we gave her the channel, told her to watch. So shout out Melissa. Melissa, what's up? Big pile of stuff, and we came in 12 bucks under budget.
Yes.
Woohoo! And Austin's not feeling like he's gonna puke or grumpy anymore.
Yes.
Woo!
And I said salami tastes like a weenie dog.
Welcome to the Utah State Fair, Austin. This is kind of fun. There's the Utah State Fair Park. Right over there is the church where I became a member of the LDS Church. And this is the 7-Eleven where we went and got Slurpees afterwards. I actually used to live not far from here. That house I showed you guys a couple weeks ago where I grew up is about a mile and a half in that direction. You want to see Stephanie happy? Look, we're at the fair. We're not going to look at any baby piggies or any cute animals. We're just going to ride the big yellow slide 100 times.
No! No.
Ma'am, he's looking at my kneecaps. Can you get him to look at you for the picture? There you go. Okay,
Austin, what do you think?
Alright.
Go up and say hey.
Austin is in the house.
Alright. Yeah.
You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Very, very cool, guys. You rock. Absolutely.
Those are some seriously lazy sea lions.
Piggies and armies.
They look like Austin when he first wakes up. fairs to have these, but Utah's had one for about 10 years. Butter cows. I guess it's supposed to be Prince William and Kate. Look at those hats, those are rad.
That's funny.
Makes me want some
I love
toast.
the crazy something.
What do you think, bud? Is that a lot of butter?
Yes, and they're made out of butter, so we just figured out term map number 3.
He ain't doing much on that pedal.
I can't find any of my old friends hanging around. Won't nothing bring you down like your hometown. I spent some time in New Orleans, and I had to live on rice and beans. And I hissed through Texas when the sun was beating down. Won't nothing bring you down like your hometown.
Austin's in the, what would you call this area? Mexican Heritage area, because it was the 15th of September the other day. Making his creepy mask. Where are we at, Sneaky? What? Where? What? At the farm place, the Little Hands on the Farm. I think Austin first did this when he was like 2. So this has got to be like his 5th time doing this. 4th.
You milk the cow, you squeeze, don't fall.
I did it. Milk the cow.
Alright. And just a minute, come here.
It's just a movie, bud.
I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit. Okay? There you go. Alright. Now just relax. Right here. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's all it's gonna do.
Austin,
What?
bless you. Are you allergic to cows? What one's your favorite?
I like that one.
You wanna pet that one?
What?
I'll bet you can go pet it. Go for it.
Yeah.
Go for it. Austin. Oh!
Okay, this is Stephanie, Gabe, trying.
This is just for Austin.
This is the heart.
It's a chicken heart. Alright, let's see.
And wait, closer to the mouth. And she ate it. And
It's gross.
she's gonna pass out.
No, I ate it.
My proof that she ate a heart.
Yes. Yes, I ate it. And we're here for Josie's birthday.
How was it?
It was gross.
Are you still chewing on it?